This next video covers Unit 7, Topic 1, Area Word Problems, which are going to involve area and law of cosines. So just wanted to talk about law of cosines for a minute. You have to have side angle side or side 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 in order to use law of cosines. So it has to be two sides and the included angle between the two sides. So we have side, angle between side. Okay, they ask us to find side H. Remember, capital letters represent the angles, so this capital H, A, and T are the angles, and the lowercase letters here represent the sides. So side H is going to be opposite of angle H. And in your law of cosines, the angle and the side you start with are opposite one another. So the 87 and the H, you can see, are there, and the other two sides get substituted in. So it's just, we talked about this formula as far as helping you remember it. That's kind of like the Pythagorean theorem right there. And then the -2, you're writing the 6.4 twice, and you're writing the 10.2 twice. So that's why you have the -2, and it's law of cosine. So you're multiplying by the cosine of 87. All of this should go in your calculator all in one step to get this value here. And then you're just undoing the squared by taking the square root. We're only considering the positive value because we're talking about distance here. So 11.8, done. So let's talk about area. Area, in order to use area, you have to have side angle side. So if you have side angle side, you can use the area. So similar to law of cosines, it's going to be the two sides and the included angle to find the area. So sometimes they might give you the area and some information. So if I show you an example of that, let me just find some blank space here. Okay, so if I draw a picture, I've zoomed in too much, but we should be able to, no, scroll it back. Get over here. There we go. Get a triangle. All right, so let's say we know that this side is 23. This angle is 18 degrees. And what else do we need? Oh, say we know the area. And say we know the area equals 400. So what you're going to do here is just substitute into that area formula. So it's going to be 400 equals the two sides, 23, and x times the sine of 18. So just going back here, x would be here because you have to have side angle side. So that's the side we'd be solving for. At this point, this is all attached through multiplication. So we can do division of 23 sine of 18. And whatever that is, that's going to be what x is equal to. X equals something. I don't know. Let's just make it up. I'm going to completely make this up, so we'll just say to the nearest integer it's 32. So if we come over here, and now we know x is equal to 32, they might then ask, hey, what's the length of this side? Oh, we have side angle side. Now we can use law of cosines, like I just showed you in the previous part of this video, and solve for y. So that is talking about combining area and law of cosines into one. And that's it for Unit 7, Topics 2 and 3.